Everyone, so general anatomy as such is a very small topic, and in that also we have to remember only certain topics pretty well. So let's start with hybrid muscles. Basically we will name some of them, we will see their nerve supply, and then at last we'll make a mnemonic on them. So stay tuned and let's begin with hybrid muscles, and if not yet subscribed, consider subscribing. So basically what are hybrid muscles? As you can see, this is a mule. So what is mule? I hope you all know well by your neat knowledge of hybridization. Basically hybrid muscle are the muscle which are also called as composite muscle, and basically they have more than one set of fiber which will perform the same function but supplied by different nerve for different set of fibers. Okay, so अगर एक set of fiber है उसको ये nerve supply करेगी, so दूसरे set of fibers को दूसरा nerve supply करेगी, but together they will act as a unit and will do a particular function. से जो भी muscle है वो उसका function perform करेगी. So I hope by now you must remember all the muscles and their function. अगर मैं आपसे बोलूँ biceps femoris का function क्या है, तो with respect to lower limb आपको पता होगा. तो अभी हम उन muscles जो hybrid है उनको देखते हैं, उनके nerve supply को. So basically just name करना है आपको brachialis. Again जैसे मैंने कहा आपको अपर लिम्ब की नर्व सप्लाई क्लियर है, तो हो सकता है आपको ब्रेकियालिस वहां पे ने पढ़ी हो, बट हम सबको क्लब करके एक साथ हाइब्रिड मसल्स पढ़ेंगे. सो ब्रेकियालिस, एज यू कैन सी, ब्रेकियालिस का जो मस्कुलोक्यूटेनियस नर्व है वो मोटर सप्लाई रहता है, और जो प्रोप्रियोसेप्टिव फंक्शन है वो बाय रेडियल नर्व रहता है. सो ब्रेकियालिस इज अ हाइब्रिड मसल. सो इसमें नथिंग मच टू स्ट्रेस अपॉन, जस्ट यू शुड नो द नर्व सप्लाई. फिर अडक्टर मैग्नस, एज यू कैन सी दिस इज योर अडक्टर मैग्नस. सो इन द अडक्टर मैग्नस बेसिकली there is adductor part and hamstring part. जो adductor part है this will be that by the obturator nerve posterior division, and the hamstring part will be by tibial nerve. So again just to name those things, you have already learned these muscles in detail and maybe you know the origin insertion as well. Now biceps femoris, the long head is by tibial nerve and the short head is by common peroneal nerve, and this we have also seen in our video on lower limb nerves. So just you should know the name and the nerve supply. Then pectineus, again pectineus in the same diagram, anterior set of fiber by femoral nerve, front anterior मतलब front तो femoral, and posterior set by obturator. So occipital lobe posterior होता है, तो उससे आप obturator nerve याद रख सकते हैं. So this is about pectineus. Then flexor digitorum profundus. Flexor digitorum profundus radial half is by median nerve and ulnar half is by ulnar nerve. So नाम से ही समझ में आता है जो half होगा उस टाइप की nerve हमें देखने को मिलेगी. So all these muscles you need to remember. Then digastric muscle, ये तो काफी अच्छे से याद ही होगा, काफी सारे triangles में आती है. So digastric muscle की जो anterior belly है, it is supplied by nerve to mylohyoid, जो कि mylohyoid is basically a branch of trigeminal nerve, and the posterior belly is supplied by your facial nerve. So this is the thing that you need to remember with respect to digastric. Again the next muscle, trapezius. Okay, trapezius, this is the muscle which we saw in this animation also. Okay, so trapezius, motor fibers are by spinal accessory nerve and proprioception is by C3 C4. So this is again very important now, and I hope you all know these muscles, their origin insertion in a bit detail. So now you need not to always remember all the hybrid muscles, you can remember as much as you want with the nerve supply you wish. So we will make a mnemonic for all the hybrid muscles so that actually you can at least recall the name, because even if you don't know the nerve supply, you can figure it out by knowing which region the muscle is and what is the action. So right now you will see all the muscles in a mnemonic form. So what is the mnemonic? Basically you know that you will study general anatomy, or I should say that handbook of BD Chaurasia, a day before your exams only. Okay, so the mnemonic goes like: a day before practicals, turn handbook fatafat. Fatafat means fast. Okay, so now there is a day before your practicals and you are turning the handbook. So A for adductor magnus, digastric, brachialis, pectineus, trapezius, biceps femoris and flexor digitorum profundus. So I hope by this method you at least turn a day before, नहीं तो कई बार तो हम एक दिन पहले भी नहीं देख पाते. So you should know the hybrid muscles, and now you can easily answer them whenever someone asks you. At least try remembering 3 to 4 hybrid muscles and their nerve supply. So I think this short video would be beneficial for you. General anatomy overall is very short, and then my videos are already very short and crisp. So I will try to make it short and finish it early. So gentle reminder, if you have not watched the other videos, you can surely watch on the channel. And now fun question. Actually you studied the video very nicely to answer the question at hand, but no, the question is not related to the hybrid muscles, it is related to hybridization and will check your neat knowledge. So I hope you are you know this answer. So answer in comments and keep sharing the initiative, and I hope that you all will enjoy tomorrow's quiz also. Thank you, stay safe, stay healthy.